Alright, what I have here is a C6 Corvette that has a busted radiator on the end caps there. They're plastic; those tend to crack. So I went ahead and ordered an eBay radiator, which got here in about 3 days. The packaging was not the best, but obviously it got there in one piece. A couple issues I show in these next couple of pictures. There's a little bit of flashing left over in the overflow hole. That was easy enough to break off and pull out. Also, some of the tabs were kind of bent just due to the awesome packaging, but that was quickly fixed with a flathead screwdriver. I went ahead and ordered a 3-row radiator. They do sell a couple of 4-row radiators, but the 3-row radiator seemed like it was just as good, if not, better than the 4-row. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail in taking out the radiator, as there's probably 5 or 6 different YouTube channels that show you that in detail. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a time lapse, quickly going through, some of the things that you have to do to get the radiator out, and AC condenser as well as the fan. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, you just take your time, take off the intake, take off the bolts, bolting everything together, the hoses, and just pull everything out. It's nothing too difficult. You should be able to do this probably within, 2 hours or so if you're taking your time. Quick little plug on that little light bar. Harbor Freight has them for about $30, and they're definitely a good time saver in terms of being able to work late at night. So go get one of those. Yeah, so this radiator was about $130 straight from eBay. It's a Chinese built radiator. A lot of people give it a lot of flack just because the quality isn't that good. So I went ahead and took the plunge and got one. So as you can see, everything fits just fine. The only issue that I have with this is the tab on the bottom right there. The way the AC condenser hardline comes out, it makes it such that you can't plug it into or slide it into the tab for the AC condenser. So I just zip tied it. The other 3 fit just fine, and everything seems pretty stout. So I went ahead and filled everything up, looked for any leaks, then went out for a drive, and it turned out pretty well. It's probably maxing out about 215 degrees, like at a bare stop. This is going 30 miles an hour, bumper to bumper traffic, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, it's doing pretty good. 208 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it drops all the way down to 190 if I'm cruising. So it's a good buy, $130. Quality might not be the best, but it definitely does the job, and it doesn't have plastic end caps that will break in the future. So if you like the content, go ahead and subscribe, comment down below. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.